Today, we're diving into the world of ultra-wealth, prestige, and engineering mastery, the most expensive luxury cars on the planet. We're not just talking about fast cars. These are rolling works of art, custom built for billionaires, royalty, and collectors. Let's explore the most luxurious and outrageously priced cars you can buy in 2025. Let's start with something truly rare, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. At around $28 million, it's the most expensive new car ever built. Only 3 exist. It features a fully customized rear, hosting a champagne fridge, parasols, and even a dinner set. The craftsmanship takes over 4 years to complete, and no two are alike. Next up is the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, priced at $18.7 million. It's a one-off masterpiece made for a private collector. With a quad-turbo W16 engine and a handcrafted carbon fiber body, this car pays homage to Bugatti's lost 1930s Type 57 SC. It's both brutally fast and impossibly elegant. Then we have the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. Only 3 were ever made, each costing around $17.5 million. It's loud, raw, and completely open top. No roof, no compromises. Built with Pagani's signature carbon titanium blend, it's as much sculpture as machine. Let's not forget the SP Automotive Chaos, the world's first ultracar. The base version costs $6 million, but the top-tier zero-gravity spec costs nearly $14 million. It claims to produce 3,000 horsepower, can hit 60 miles per hour in 1.5 seconds, and is rumored to break every performance record known to man. Up next is the Bugatti Centodieci, priced around $9 million. It's a tribute to the EB110 from the 1990s. Limited to just 10 units. With aggressive styling and 1,600 horsepower, it blends modern Bugatti power with classic nostalgia. Moving on to something electric, the Aspark Owl, which costs over $3 million. It's an all-electric hypercar from Japan with 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.7 seconds. The interior feels like a spaceship, and only 50 will ever exist. Then there's the Mercedes-Maybach Exelero, still famous today even though it was built in 2004. Priced at around $8 million, it looks like something Batman would drive. One-off, jet black, twin-turbo V12, and absolutely unforgettable. For Ferrari fans, there's the Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio, valued around $3 million. Only 6 units exist. Based on the Ferrari 458, it's lighter, faster, and totally roofless. It's rare, sleek, and built for those who already own multiple Ferraris. Let's not forget the Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, the hypercar with a diamond weave carbon fiber body. Valued at $4.8 million, even Floyd Mayweather owns one. It's not just fast, it sparkles like a jewel under sunlight. And finally, we have the Rolls-Royce Sweptail, worth about $13 million. Hand-built with a yacht-inspired design, panoramic glass roof, and custom interiors, it's luxury at its most personal and most artistic. So, what do all these cars have in common? They're not just transportation. They're expressions of power, wealth, identity, and craftsmanship. Would you ever buy one if money wasn't an issue? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury and supercar content. See you in the next one.